Hey, hello everybody. Hope you are doing well. Shooting this quick video from my truck. Try and do these videos candid, if you will, like as the questions come in, that way they're fresh. But I was talking to a driver and he was asking me about income taxes. And while I am not a CPA, I do not do income taxes. With that being said, as an LLC, I have to file some of the same forms that you guys file throughout the year. And one of those is called the 1040-ES. I will have a link to that form in the description. But that form helps us as an LLC to file our income taxes throughout the year. That way, we do not get stuck with a huge tax bill at the end of the year. Because quite frankly, nobody likes to go into a brand new year knowing we're gonna be owing the IRS a bunch of money. Now, let me highlight real quick the difference of why as an LLC we have to file this form versus say like a normal employee. So on the employee side, let's say I'm working at Home Depot and I'm making 10 bucks an hour and I work 40 hours a week, so I get 400 bucks per week, right? Do I get $400 deposited into my account every week? No. Why? Because taxes are pulled out every week. Now here's what kind of sucks is being a self-employed person with an LLC. So from the Home Depot side, as an employee, I pay 7.6% of taxes go to Social Security and Medicare. Now, what's interesting is Home Depot has to match that amount. So in total, the government's getting 15.2%. I'm paying 7.6 and Home Depot's paying 7.6, right? And that's coming out every week. So the government's getting revenue from an employee every week. Now, as a dispatch or as a truck driver, when we send out invoices, are our customers withholding taxes? Answer is no, they are not, right? So the burden falls on us to file our taxes and to make sure we are getting the government their fair share. Fair is a loose term there, right? The government wants their portion throughout the year. And the way we do that is through quarterly estimated income taxes. Now, the IRS is kind enough, if you will, to provide us with a form to fill out that helps us estimate our taxes based on what our income and expenses are going to be. And so we can use that form, and the form comes with 4 payments, one for each quarter, that we can mail in our taxes to them. That way, when we file our taxes for the year, we put in that we have paid those taxes and we don't have to pay them at the end of the year. The crazy thing is, if we owe the government more than $1,000 at the end of the year, they actually will apply interest, penalties, and all this other stuff to the $1,000, so the bill goes up. And we want to avoid that. We want to pay the government as little as possible, right? Again, I think I was alluding to the unfortunate part as an LLC, because we don't have an employer like Home Depot matching our 7.6%, we're required to pay both. So we actually have to pay 15.2%. So it actually really does add up if we're not careful. So it is pretty important to be filling out this form every year and then filling them out on a quarterly basis. Now, here's the good news from my perspective. Since I am filling this out per year, per quarter, I am offering this as a service to you drivers. Separate charge for that, depending on, of course, how much you are going to bring in, because that changes a little bit of the work, the calculations. But I am happy to assist you in filling out that form, and then also keeping track of mailing out your payments on a quarterly basis, or just giving you reminders or whatever. But I am happy to use my accounting background to help with that form, since I am filling that form out myself, again, as part of owning an LLC. The link for that description is in the comments below. If it does seem overwhelming, shoot me an email, give me a phone call. You can find more about me. All my contact information is on my website, www.haulinghotshot.com. My company's Rocky Mountain Hotshot Dispatch. I love this industry. I love working with you truck drivers. I've got some good relationships being built, and excited to do some more relationship building, helping you guys stay on the road and make some money. Yeah, well, there you have it. That is a quick overview on income taxes as relates to an LLC. If you have any questions, again, let me know. You all drive safe. We'll talk to you soon.